Hi, Doc Mountain here. I'm doing this video just to show you how you can create a WhatsApp channel. Did you know that WhatsApp has introduced channels? Let me show you how you can do that. So what you do is you go to WhatsApp. Just make sure that you have the latest WhatsApp. So here we go. Then click updates or status. Then from there, you'll see the plus icon there. Click on the plus icon and you'll see what says create channel or find channels. You create that. Then you say create a channel to reach unlimited followers. Anyone can discover your channel. So here we go. You click continue. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a channel. We'll be posting things. So channel name, I'm going to name it Amazon Affiliate Marketer. / educationist. That's it. And then let me upload something here. A picture explaining everything. The picture is too small. 2 pixels. Let's try this. Oh, this one again is too big. Okay, so for now we'll simply go by this one. Amazon. Describe your channel. Including a description is useful for your followers. So this channel is all about. This channel is all about marketing and selling Amazon products. As well as teaching. Physics and mathematics. Okay, so here we go. Let's now tap on create channel, and boom, we are in. Write an update. So we can actually upload something here, a picture. You can have this. Then I'm gonna go to Telegram just to pick a specific link given to me, so that when I lead some traffic to Amazon, they'll be able to know it's me who has actually led the traffic to Amazon. So here we go. And I'm gonna go by this one. Copy. And I'll go back here. Say up for grabs on Amazon. Just click the link, and you will land on the page for purchases. Let me paste in the link that I copied from there. Boom. And I'm sending. And that's how we do it. So for now, there's nobody who's actually following me. Channel link. Share to my status. And boom. We can also copy the link and drop it in a specific group. That's how we do it. And